For many years we have been used to crossings that show red and green figures on the pedestrian signal on the other side of the road. These crossings have been upgraded in recent years to a new type known as a Puffin. This stands for Pedestrian User-Friendly Intelligent Crossing. There are no lights for you to watch on the opposite side of the road. Instead, there is a control box positioned so you are facing the traffic coming towards you. To stop the traffic, press the button. The circle around the button will light up. Wait until the green figure at the bottom appears, and the traffic has stopped in both directions. The green figure indicates when it is safe to start crossing. A bleeper sound may also be heard. The bleeping will stop and green man will disappear after about 5 seconds. This doesn't mean the traffic lights have turned green for drivers. Special sensors mean the lights will stay red for drivers until you've reached the other side, which is helpful for people who walk more slowly. Puffin crossings also have features to help people who are visually impaired. A special surface with bumps called tactile paving helps people to find the crossing area. Under the control box, there is a cone-shaped device that rotates when it is safe to cross. By holding this, those who cannot see will know when it is safe to cross. Please leave space near the control box for those who may need to use the tactile cone. A bleeper sound is sometimes used at traffic signal crossings. This can also help visually impaired people know when to cross. The bleeping sound is not used if it could be confusing for people. For example, if two crossings are close together, it could be difficult to tell which is bleeping. Puffin crossings are designed to be safer for pedestrians and better for road users, but please remember to always take care when crossing the road.